Hello, my name is Tim Edwards and welcome to the Tim G. Edwards Music YouTube channel. In today's guitar lesson, I want to teach you how to play the chord G sharp minor. G sharp minor. So it's a great open chord to learn. So let's get started. So that's the sound of the G sharp minor. In the previous lesson, I showed you how to play F sharp minor. You just simply go up 2 frets, 1, 2, and that'll be G sharp minor. So to play that, finger number 1 is on string number 3 of the 4th fret, and then finger number 3 is on the 5th string of fret number 6, and then your little finger is directly underneath that on string number 4 of the 6th fret. And then play all strings but this top string. Just kind of touch it or mute it with your thumb, or just don't strum the top string. G sharp minor. Okay, to review how to make that chord again, finger number 1 is placed on string number 3 of the 4th fret, and then finger number 3 is placed on the 5th string of the 6th fret, and then your pinky finger is placed on the 4th string, also on the 6th fret, and don't strum the top E string, but strum all open strings. Be sure and let that bottom E string ring out. Okay, it's G sharp minor. I use that sometimes in playing with the key of E. Go to F sharp minor, go to G sharp minor, back down again. Makes a real beautiful chord progression. Okay, if you like this lesson, be sure and hit the like button below. If you'd like to learn more guitar chords, be sure and hit my playlist in the description below. And also, if you're not a current subscriber, be sure and subscribe to my channel. It's free, there's no obligation. It just bookmarks my channel on your subscription, so I can easily be found, and when new video lessons are uploaded, you'll be notified of those. Appreciate all my current subscribers as well. So have a great day and God bless you.